What's up everybody, Matt Maran here for another video from New York. This is the all-new 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback, which I think actually looks really cool, especially in this light blue color. It looks really just exciting and fun, and this is the XSE trim, so this isn't some crazy wild concept. This is going to be available relatively soon, and I think it looks really good. They did a really good job. As far as engines go, it's got a 2-liter naturally aspirated engine that's both port and fuel direct injected, and so look at that rear spoiler though. It's like right off of Focus RS. It's so aggressive. They didn't announce official horsepower numbers that I saw. I've seen a few numbers rumored, somewhere between 165 and 175 horsepower, but I'm still not sure on the official numbers. This is the standard SE trim. There's only the 2 trims, I believe, and so this one that was locked, unfortunately, but you can kind of see the interior there, very similar to other Toyotas. Will have Apple CarPlay as standard, no Android Auto, but yeah, aside from the bland looking wheels, the SE trim looks really good too even, so I'm pretty impressed with this, and it's going to be available with a 6-speed manual, which is the big news here. It also, of course, is available with a CVT that has 10 simulated shift points if you want, but the manual actually has auto rev matching and everything. And speaking of sportiness, they even showed a drift version that will be in Formula Drift this year competing. Wide body, very, very aggressive, and looks very cool. But yeah, I mean, these new Corolla hatchbacks are pretty sweet, and I'm hoping to be able to show you guys more of the Corolla hatch, in the next month or two, because it seems like a lot of you are really excited about it. And as you can see, this Formula Drift one is 1,000 horsepower thanks to a nitrous-fed version of this 4-cylinder engine, the Dynamic Force engine, I believe. Obviously, heavily modified to do 1,000 horsepower, but pretty wild and just awesome. They're even bothering to do stuff like this. Is super cool. But anyway, so yeah, that is the all-new 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback.